Welcome to my channel. How to hide SSID on Nighthawk router. Launch a web browser from a device that is connected to your router's network. Enter www.routerlogin.net, a login window displays. Enter your username and password. The username is admin. The password is the one that you specified the first time that you logged in. The username and password are case-sensitive. The basic home page or dashboard displays. Select Wireless. For Nighthawk Pro gaming routers, select Settings, Wireless Setup. Clear the Enable SSID Broadcast checkbox and click or tap Apply. Your router's SSID is now hidden. Your router's SSID is now hidden.